Another freezing day in Florida, and here is my horse routine. This is Blue. He came from a kill pen in Louisiana, and he's been neglected and abused his whole life, so he doesn't get a coat or else he'd probably kick the shit out of me, but he's still living his best life. And look at how handsome he is. Here are 3 of my 6 horses, and this is Millie. She's wearing her little coat, and Mister, their boyfriend and girlfriend. Mister's actually 27 years old, and I've been riding him since I was 4. They are, like I said, boyfriend and girlfriend, and they usually share a pasture together. This is me trying to take this off with one hand. They have coats because it did dip below 30 degrees.